What are we unboxing today? I think this would be a funner game if I had like any clue about what's in these boxes. I literally have no clue. I don't know what they're sending me, when they're sending it. It just arrives. I think this is going to be vitamins based on what I just got before, but I don't know. Vitamins, maybe. Vitamins, baby. Maybe. What does that even say? Moringa oil? Cold pressed and refined. Extra virgin oil of certified organic moringa seeds. Listen, I'm. Let's wait for the review because I have no clue what that is.